Hello everyone. Today we learn about the regulatory factors which is involved in degradation of lignin. First is nutrient limitation, carbon, nitrogen, sulfur limitation in fungi like phenorochite, chrysosporium triggers the production of ligninolytic enzymes as a part of secondary metabolism. Second is manganese. This ion regulates enzyme production. Low levels favor lignin peroxidase while its presence activate manganese peroxidase and other enzymes. Third is pH and pre-treatment. Culture pH and physical pre-treatments like steam explosion alter the lignin structure, affecting microbial access and degradation efficiency. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much.